Cutsie Christmas is a brand new paper pack, and we always need something just charming for our Christmas, just for those special people. This paper pack has an insert, and on that insert you're going to see a scrapbook page and a card, but I'm going to show those to you right now. In addition, here are some coordinating things which I'm also going to show you. Now, Cutsie Christmas, like all of hot off the press paper packs, there are 12 sheets, 2 of each one. I'm going to show you each of those. And as you can see, they are 12 by 12, or hopefully you can see 12 by 12. They are 80-pound paper and they're double-sided. Okay, enough with the statistics. Let's get into the images. You can see that this is all about just these absolutely charming little critters. So penguins, reindeer, polar bears, and lots of snowflakes. Our second sheet looks like this. So we've got snowflakes along the edge. Blue and teal and red and white are the colors that are going in here. You can see there's another border, tinier images of those little characters, along with a stripe at the top. Now we have 18 of these cutouts that are just charming, but since you get 2 sheets, you're actually going to get 36 of them. And I'll show you the back sides in just a moment. There's a very colorful, tasty stripe, and then we have some of the teal with the craft color. Now the back side of the papers look like this. So we have snowflakes in the teal as well as in the craft. We have the stripes in the teal as well as red. We have a fun collection of tiny dots, and then we have the tone-on-tone red dots. So all of these are with the Cutsie Christmas. Now, what do we have to go with it? Well, obviously this is going to play very well with our red ribbons, as well as our white ribbons will work beautifully with this. And from 49th and Market, we have a mini flowers, which is kind of fun for these larger cutouts. And this is in the cloud color, so white. That's charming. Now, we've also developed chipboard. This is Cutsie Christmas chipboard, and as I mentioned, the polar bears, the reindeer, and the penguins, you'll be able to, with this collection, to layer them and to do exactly like this. So there is the chipboard. We're going to get in close. Thank you, Houston. And you can see you can use embossing powder, or you can just ink them, whatever you like, but how fun. And just so that you don't have to try to remember how to do that, on this package, we'll get in really super close. You can see that we've shown you which pieces go to make which character and how many pieces you need for each one. So penguin, reindeer, polar bear, absolutely charming. And on the package, we'll show you all the products that were used to make this. Just really, really cute. Now, in addition, we're not forgetting scrapbookers, and here is just an absolutely fun and bright, cheery Christmas layout. Now, the design team added some of our Galaxy of Star Dazzles. Now, there's 3,180 in here in lots of colors, red, blue, silver, gold, and they're just, you can just sprinkle them on your paper projects. And to give you more ideas, here is another of the Cutsie Christmas papers, and this was used with our brand new 8 labels for your greetings cutting dies. Yes, and you can see it's right there, and it's also paired with our Christmas Never Before Seen Dazzles and our 120 Merry Christmas Dazzles. So all of those right here, along with the Cutsie Christmas paper. And this is more Cutsie Christmas paper. You can see how well those cutouts do. And this is with that same cutting die, 8 labels for your greetings. Now, more ways that you can use these charming characters and the papers. Just do so many things with it. So there you go, popping out all over and just adding a cheerful greeting for our Christmas season. Cutsie Christmas in stock now, and it can be yours.